Alright, in this video we are going to continue finding areas of triangles. In this one though, however, we won't have a side angle side triangle at the start, so we will have to get some information first. So sometimes you need to use the law of sines in order to get enough information to find the area. So as a friendly reminder, law of sines is the sine of angle A divided by the length of side A equals the sine of angle B divided by B equals the sine of angle C divided by C. So keep that in mind as we go through these problems. So example 1, find the area of each triangle, round your answers to two decimal places. So we have A is 5, B is 149 degrees, and C is 16 degrees. And as usual, we will draw any generic triangle. It doesn't have to be special, and label the information we have. So when we do that, we have, in this case, an angle side angle triangle, which means we need to get either the length of side B, so we could have 5 and then the length of side B and the 16 degree angle as a side angle side, or the length of side C at the bottom of the triangle, so we can use that, the 5 and the 149 degree angle. Now it doesn't matter which one we get, we just have to pick one. So before we do that though, we can find the measure of angle A by using the triangle angle sum, and 180 minus 16 minus 149 degrees will give us 15 degrees. So here I'm finding the length of side B over here. So in order to do that, we need to set up the law of sines, where we do the sine of 15 degrees over 5 equals the sine of 149 degrees over the length of side B. So sine of 15 over 5 equals sine of 149 over B. When we cross multiply, we get B times the sine of 15 equals 5 times the sine of 149. And then to get B by itself, we divide both sides by sine of 15, and we get 5 sine 149 degrees over the sine of 15, which is approximately 9.95. So B is about 9.95. All right, so now we have B is 9.95, we had A is 5, and we had angle C now is 16 degrees. Here we have side, angle, side, two side measures and the angle measure between them. So now we can apply our formula, 1/2 times 9.95 times 5 times the sine of 16 degrees. It's going to give us about 6.86 square units. All right, example one, that's actually example 1B, but that's okay. Find the area of each triangle, round your answer to two decimal places. So this time we have side C is 7, angle B is 132, angle A is 28. So labeling our sides, we have another angle side angle. Again, we need to find one of the missing sides in our triangle. So this time finding side B. Angle A is, or rather angle C is 20 degrees because angle A and angle B add up to 160. Subtract that from 180 to get angle C is about 20. So we set up the sine of 20 over 7 equals the sine of 132 degrees over B. And cross multiply, we get B times the sine of 20 equals 7 times the sine of 132. And then divide both sides by the sine of 20. And we get B is 7 sine 132 degrees divided by the sine of 20 degrees is about 15.21. So now we have B is 15.21, C is 7, and A is 28 degrees. Now we have a side angle side triangle, so we can apply our formula, 1/2 times 15.21 times 7 times the sine of 28 degrees is approximately 24.99 square units. In the next video of part 3, we're going to take a look at how to find the area of a triangle if all you're given are the lengths of three sides. There is a shortcut way to do that that does not involve having to use the law of sines. I will